Do you know how to apply the perfect eyeliner? And do you know the difference between the older and the newer version of eyeliner? How can you perfectly apply both? I will show you in today's video. My name is Sarish and I make makeup related tips and trick videos. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Let's get started. So guys, first I am applying the regular eyeliner, or what you might call the old version of eyeliner. Before that, I need to prep my eyelids, and for this I am using the hard candy eyelid primer. This primer works amazingly because it blurs the eyelid, making everything smooth for the better application. Now, some of you might notice that my lashes look really good. You might think I have applied mascara, but I haven't. I actually know a great hack for this. So, if you're interested, let me know in the comments and I will share the magic with you. After applying the primer, I am setting it with a concealer brush. Next, I am using the LA Girl Pro Concealer to fully set my eyelid with the same brush. Once that's done, I am applying a light brown eyeshadow just under my crease. When you are applying eyeshadow in the crease, remember to blend it slightly above the crease for a more beautiful and seamless look. By the way, blending is always key for any eyeshadow or makeup look. Now it's time for the eyeliner. I am creating a wing starting from the outer corner of my eye. Some people like to draw their eyeliner a bit higher, but I usually follow the angle towards the outer corner of my eyebrow. I am using a marker eyeliner that I got from Timo as part of a set. Now I will draw a wing on the outer corner of my eye. I am keeping it little bit outside, but don't worry, I will fix it. Then I draw another line from the middle of the wing towards the inner corner of my eye, making the line thinner as I move inwards. Now I will fill this line with the eyeliner and I will create a thinner line with the upper lash line and I will join it with the inner corner. As you can see, the wing looks a bit bumpy. Don't worry, I will fix it by drawing a straight line to clean it up. And I will use little concealer to sharpen the outer edges. After that, I will fill in any empty spaces and my eyeliner will be set. So this is the complete look of the eyeliner. For the lower lid, I am using a pinkish shade and that's the complete look for the first eyeliner. Now let's move on the new version of the eyeliner. For this, I am applying tape along the outer corner of my eye, following the same direction as the outer edge of my eyebrow. I am using a dark brown eyeshadow and blending it into my crease, focusing on the outer corner, and blending is the key here. Next, I am taking a lighter creamy white shade and blending it into the inner corner of my eye. Now I will draw the eyeliner using black powder eyeshadow, creating a wing with the help of the tape. I am blending the shadow from the inner corner to the outer corner, following the wing. Once the wing is created, I am using an angled eyeliner brush to go over the line with the black powder eyeshadow, setting the eyeliner in place. I am not blending this part with this angled brush. Now I am using the blending brush and I will blend this black eyeliner here slightly. Now I will remove the tape from the outer corner and you can see the clean sharp look. It's super easy to do and it looks even more beautiful than the traditional eyeliner. I will clean up any excess makeup with a concealer brush and set the lower lid with the same shades I used earlier on the other eye. And that's it. Both eyes look beautiful in their own way. Let me know which one you like the most, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. So guys, that's the video for today. If you like this video, don't forget a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please follow me on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching guys. Bye. Love you all.